first.
Oh. Hey. It's for you, Lauren. It is. It really is.
True story. Are we lip syncing or actually singing it? Oh, you gone. I ain't gonna do you wrong. Cause I don't wanna. It's more a little respect when you get home. Maybe we should make another song.
I don't know these.
Dance!
Emo dance.
Just a little bit. Here we go. I'm gonna surprise you.
Breakdown.
Are you peeking?
Continuing? No?
Let us see.
Hey, look, it's Allie's closet. I don't know the song.
You don't know the song?
This is your time, Allie.
I don't know the words.
I don't know the song at all. I've never heard it.
Oh, I bet you have.
Except for Chris Crocker.
Yeah.
Other than that.
Just your mouth for you. I know that. Good crump. Look at this little emo kid right here.
He's your best friend. Emo. Are you?
Let me see. I was surprised with something else.
Okay. Hey, look,
here
it's
you go.
Allie's floor.
Look at that. I don't know who sings it.
I don't know what you're looking for.
Oh, I know. No. It took
H&R Block.
H&R Block.
Midnight.
Yeah. Oh no. That's a problem.
Oh no.
That's a funny joke. He would know what we were talking about. Search.
Searching.
Bam. I don't know how to play guitar. Actually, I do. I wish we had your guitar up here, Amanda.
Oh.
Do it in my band every Sunday. She tells him she's at church, but she doesn't go. Still, she's on her knees, and Skylar doesn't know. There were knees. There were knees in that shot. So don't tell Skylar. My mom just got home and looked in my car.
Where's the dinosaur?
I don't know. Yes, oh, I bet my mom could cheer her up.
Yay.
Let's go take a trip to see my mom. We're making a video to cheer up Lauren. Well, we were washing in the car.
Where's that, Jackie?
She left. Cheer up Lauren.
Hi, Lauren.
That
Look,
doesn't help.
This is a new addition to Allie on her 18th birthday.
Jeanette's just seen the tat.
That's nice.
And she likes your car.
I love your car.
Jeanette, this is Amanda.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Good.
Hi, I've got to go poo, Lauren, and I got to get a shower.
Missy always cheers you up, Lauren. Missy, Jesus?
You don't know where, Jackie went?
No. She just kind of left, like right as we were getting home.